Hi guys, my name is Chris Dakovic with Foxy Marketer channel, and today I'm going to cover a topic that everybody is talking about these days, and that's how to start affiliate marketing with no money in 2022. So I wanted to talk about this topic for some time, and it just blows my mind how people on YouTube, as you can see right here, all of these famous YouTubers that make thousands of dollars through their YouTube channel, through the AdSense, through the promotion of affiliate products, and selling merch or whatever. They are telling you that you can start making money with nothing, basically, with having no website, with just using social media, or just signing up to a random affiliate programs and just spamming your link online, which obviously it doesn't work. It's not true. So you should never trust these kind of methods or tips or whatever they're trying to tell you that works, because it doesn't. Even if you use all of these free ads website where you can post millions of ads, you have 30,000 monthly traffic, you can reach so many people, none of that works. The reason is you need to create a trust between a customer or a client that you want to sell your product to, or promote affiliate product to. So you can't just post and spam links on social media. First of all, you're probably going to get banned because it's not allowed. You need to understand how posting links, how you should post them. There are rules, there are guidelines. You can't just spam them wherever you want. And second of all, it doesn't work even if you could. Maybe like 10 years, 5 years, before, it worked. You could, just spam links and, you get lucky and get few sales and whatnot. But now it doesn't, because there's so many affiliates, there's so many people online that do that or trying to do that. It just doesn't work. You need to build a following. You need to build a trust between you and a customer or a follower of yours. So you can't just start spamming things. And so I wanted to talk about this and explain how you can do it properly, proper way. Because this is just absurd. I see so many YouTubers like this. I'm not just going to say this person is wrong or this smart money tactics, or I have nothing against them or their methods, but I see so many people doing that. They're just saying, oh, you can make, for example, $1,500 here, or $1,000 here, or $100 per day here. And I'm not saying that doesn't work. It's just it doesn't work the way they tell it to. You can't start for free without doing any work and just posting or spamming links, or stealing other people's content and re-uploading it on your own channel. That doesn't work. You will get banned and you'll just lose your time and patience doing that, trying that. It doesn't work. So the only way you could actually completely for free do something, you would need to understand and learn beforehand how to do it. You would need to have some sort of process or a plan or a tactic to do it. You can't just not know nothing about anything and start posting links and magically, make money online. That doesn't work, So today I'm going to show you how you can do this the free way, or the closest to free way. So if you want to become affiliate marketer and promote affiliate links, it's obviously one of the easiest way to make money online, but it's still there are regulation and guidelines and rules you need to follow. You need to know what they are, so you can't just do whatever. First of all, you can't post raw affiliate links. Raw meaning the default link you get from any affiliate program you join. Those are the raw affiliate links. You can't post them on social media. You can't post them anywhere. You can only post them like on your own, for example, YouTube channel description, or in like a blog post or something, if you have a website, that you can do. But you can't go on social media, even if it's your own profile or somewhere. Maybe on profile you'll be able to somehow post it or whatever, but usually it's not a really good idea, because these links are very long and they have numbers and stuff in them. They look very, very sketchy. They look very scammy. So I wouldn't do that anyways. And there are also people talking about how you can shorten them using all these shorteners, URL shorteners, Bitly, or adsfly or something like that. It's called, I don't know. Anyway, you can do that, but it's not advisable, because these social media are, having pretty good security, and they will notice that you are using all of these shorteners, and it will just block your link, or it will redirect it to something else, or it won't even give you the option to even post them. So again, it's not a good option. So what you need to do is create landing pages. If you're not going to use websites and YouTube channels, if you're not going to be a YouTuber, or you have your own blog or website or store or whatever, then you need to have a landing page. Now, what is a landing page? I already talked about it in my video before. A landing page is one page, two-page website, simple website where you can post any type of content, images, videos, or talk about your own products or promotions, or maybe upcoming features, services, whatever. So this is a perfect for affiliate marketers to post their own content, to post a bit more about the product they're trying to promote, trying to get people to buy that product instead of just spamming links online. So here I have Google Sites, which again in my videos before I mentioned this is the freest, the best website you can do, you can use for free. It's a Google site, you can use it for free. It's a part of Google. You just go, I'll just show you quickly. You just go through your, on your Google, and you just type in sites. And first results it pops out, it will say Google Sites, sign in. And you just sign in with your Google account, and you are inside here. You won't have all of these. These are the ones that I created myself. So you will have all of these. So these are just basic sites on which you can post your affiliate links, and choose whatever you want. For example, this is like a photo portfolio sites that you can use. And then as you can see here, you'll have random images, random links, just to show you what you can do with these sites and basically how to use them. So as you can see here, you have a header, you can post logo, you can put pages, you can build literally a website right here. It's easy to do. You have on this side you have options to do whatever, to use pages. You have these themes. These are like styles and designs that you can use, different things. It will change the look and feel of the website a little bit. You can change colors, and that's basically what you need. You need a free landing page or a funnel service where you can post a bit of your description about your product, about your service that you're trying to promote, and then share the link of that website or portfolio or whatever landing page funnel you build with your audience or traffic or people that you are basically trying to sell the product to. So you can't just use default raw link, as I said, and post on social media. Instead, you will build something like this, or obviously this is like a default one. I have my own that I already built here. I'm going to show you a few of them. I built few of them, and for example, ClickFunnels versus System.io, which it's autoresponders and landing page builders. So I built this simple, website or landing page. I, put an image in background. I type a bit of the, heading or a title, and then put an images, buttons, and kind of explain them what it is. Sorry for my bad English, and who is it for. And basically that's how you promote this. And then the moment you created this, you can go to this link option, and you can just copy the link and share that link on social media. Now this is one way to do it for free. You can use Google Sites, but as I said, System.io, the product that you saw on my landing page right here that I'm also promoting, and it's a free funnel builder. It gives you option to build up to 3 funnels or landing pages, such as here or such as this, probably much better than this. And basically you build the 3 of them, and you can create the whole sequences. You can automate it. If people, if you want, for example, like this, if you want people to enter their email address and to get a free giveaway or gift or something, you can do that through this service. Google Sites is only for the landing pages, so there is no email marketing, there is no connecting anything with it. You can connect maybe different pages, connect pages, so you can build a website here, but other than that, there is no email marketing service. And System.io is an email marketing autoresponder, and you can use it to basically build landing pages. It's free, or it has a free plan which basically can give you up to 3 landing pages at once, to use them to promote your offers. So that's what you need. Now the second thing you can use if you want to have a website, you can use a Hostinger. Now Hostinger is self-hosted service, which basically enables you to create websites. You can also create landing pages on websites. You can, host whatever you want. I use Hostinger for my own professional website, blog. You can use it for, e-commerce stores. You can use it for portfolios, whatever you want. I use them because they are one of the best and they are one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest ones out there. They just have the best, variety of plans, and it's very affordable. It's like maybe $100 for like 4 years or something like that. So you pay one time. If you pay yearly, I usually go like that because you save the most money and it's just, most affordable that way. Then we have Medium. Now Medium is a free kind of article website where you can post your own articles, write about like a short blogs, for example. You can write, you can write longer one if you want, but it's meant for these, 10-minute, 8-minute reads. As you can see right here, people are posting all kind of stuff, talking about Netflix, talking about different, politics, sports, whatever. So I also have my Medium account. I used it for some time. It's pretty okay, it's pretty decent. The only thing I have, it's really kind of limited. You can't really do much with it. So there's no styling, there's no customizing. You can just start writing, creating blog posts or creating, affiliate products review or something that you want. But again, remember, our point or our part is we need to create some kind of landing page, some kind of a website, small short website where we are going to promote our affiliate products. That's the whole point we're trying to do. So using Medium is one of the better ways to do that, or faster ways to do that. Now, the last thing I wanted to say before I finish the video is Wealthy Affiliate. Now, Wealthy Affiliate is a website for affiliate marketers. I was their affiliate for a long time. I was actually using their service for like 2 years, and then I stopped after some time. But again, they provide you hosting and website and blogs. Everything is included for free. You sign up for free. You have this free plan. They actually teach you how to do affiliate marketing, what are the best ways to do it, trainings. They give you challenges, tips, guides, everything. It's a whole community, people interested in affiliate marketing, and basically you have everything in it. It's like a one big bundle. You have everything inside. You have your blog. You can have, hosting videos, webinars, whatever you want inside, basically. So I think this is the best way to start affiliate marketing if you are going to go for free. Either that or buying your own, you're paying for $100 for hosting and then building your own website and doing it that way. Those two ways are, in my opinion, like the cheapest or like free ways. Not really free, because this is, you would need still to pay like $100 for 4 months or 4 years or something. But again, the cheapest way and free way is this one. Medium is good, good solution, good choice, but later on, when you start growing your business, it's going to be troubling because you don't have option to export your content. Now, what do I mean by export? I mean, you can't, if you posted like 100 blog posts, you won't be able to change or switch to another service if you started on Medium. They don't have the option to switch on other service, blogging platform or a hosting or whatever. So you would lose all of your content. You would need to leave behind all of these 100 blogs. So that's why I'm saying affiliate marketing, you should absolutely try to do on Wealthy Affiliate. They actually have a community here that specializes in affiliate marketing and in teaching you how to do it properly. It shows you everything. So you get, free training, you get challenges, and these little, these little tasks you need to do every day. So you stay, consistent, you stay, you experience things through affiliate marketing. It's not just learning, you actually need to do something. But also you get a blog, so you can basically post your affiliate products there. You can promote them, you can create reviews. This is the best approach in my opinion. And they will also teach you how to publish this blog, how to get free traffic, how to use ads, everything you're going to learn for free. And then later on, when you're comfortable, you can go on their pricing. They also have plans. You can pay for a paid plan, and you can even get more out of it. So you can build multiple sites, you can use different ads and stuff like that. So it's really, really good way to start affiliate marketing, especially if you're doing it for free, because here you have everything bundled up in one one giant, let's say, bundle. And it's a very good platform, very good creators. As you can see right here, people are joining every second, because this is it's just the simplest way to do affiliate marketing for free. And I know many people right here are saying, you can use landing pages and you can post them on social media. And I said, I told you already, you can do it. You can use System.io, you can use Google Sites for free, basically create these landing pages, share your links, and basically, make money online. But again, you would need to have followers. You can't just post links and that's it. So you can do landing pages. You can use landing pages. You can promote your own products, affiliate products, or your own products, whatever you want. The point is, it's better if you're going to do it for free. It's better to use website like a Wealthy Affiliate, where you have an education system, in place, where you have community and people just like yourself doing affiliate marketing, promoting, starting out. It's better that way than doing it all yourself. Because if you're doing it alone, you can do it. There's millions of YouTube videos you can check out. You can watch different methods, techniques, how you can do it properly and profitably. But it will take time, and that's like you'll spend more time trying to figure it out all on your own than just joining such a community as Wealthy Affiliate. If you're interested in a Wealthy Affiliate, I'm going to leave my link down in the description so you can join through my link. Again, it's going to be affiliate link. I want to be 100% transparent with you. I won't get paid anything. It's just like you joining through me and you're like through my recommendation or whatever, and that's it. For you, it's going to be the same experience as if you join through the website. It's just like if you upgrade in future, I might get some small commission from that, just to keep you 100% clear about that. Again, you can join through my link, or you can go through website if you want, however you want. Other than that, that's all I wanted to say. This is by far the easiest way to promote affiliate programs. Don't post raw affiliate links. Once again, you can't just paste links, copy paste. You also would like to do, or you should do, for example, I'm always on Quora, so I'm usually promoting products through Quora. So for example, if I want to promote a certain product, I would usually go like find a question, and then I would click answer, and then I would write an answer. So I wouldn't just spam my links. I would write a great answer, great answer that they are looking for, something that they'll solve their problem, or maybe and then or maybe something that I can redirect them to some kind of website or something that they can find helpful. And then later, maybe somewhere below, I can say, if you want more like solution, or if you want to learn more about this method that I was talking about, you can check out this link, check out this program, service, product, whatever. That's how you do it. So don't just post links, because that will get you banned. And it will be a big red flag for social medias, for different platforms, Quora, Instagram, especially the newer ones like TikTok. You will get banned and you won't be able to unban your account. They will basically delete your account. So don't do that. You can post the links, but use landing pages. You can also use services like Linktree, but it's not really people are not having the best results. You can do that with Linktree, give you like 6 different links to post through this account. It's a free account. It's free to sign up. They have price plans, whatever, but you can use free. You can see right here. If I manage to close this, basically you post an image and you can post like join my websites, follow me on socials, or like buy this product, or subscribe to my newsletter, and so on and so forth. So basically it gives you like few options, these little tabs to post your links, so people have multiple options. When they visit the link, they can see all of these services and promotion that's going on, that you are offering. And then you can basically customize, colors, change layouts, and so on and so forth, as you can see right here. So people using on Instagram. And that's about it. So if you like this video, please subscribe. It means much to me. Comment in the comment section if you want to ask me something, or talk about something, or maybe even request a video about some topic. And that's basically it. I see you in the next video, and bye.